What's good, everybody? It's H back on another 12 Hub TV video, and I'm excited today because I'm getting into a shoe that I've been waiting for a long time to put on my feet because I've bought the wrong size about 6 times. So, to Yeezy 700 V3. I've gone through the whole gambit of sizes. I've had to let go of pairs that I actually liked, and I'm ready for this one. I'm looking at the Yeezy 700 V3 Kyanite today. Let's go. So the Yeezy 700 V3 Kyanite came out on March 25th for a retail price of $200. It arguably is one of my favorite silhouettes, or newer silhouettes in the Yeezy team. And like I said in the intro, I've purchased various models of this and have not gotten my size. The Safflower got it, I believe, an 11.5, which was just because that was all that was available. That didn't fit. I got the Clay Browns in a size 12 and a size 12.5. Neither one of those fit. Couldn't even get it on my foot. This time I went with a size 13. They were nice to me on the Adidas Confirmed app. Got it right away. Just shipped in today. And going to unbox. Not my cup of tea. At the end of the day, these unboxings. Shout out to actually Adidas for... Well, Adidas is one of those places which is odd. They literally put the model number on the outside of the box, which is kind of like if you're a sneaker person and you're delivering for UPS and you have UPS or FedEx or whatever and you got them evil thoughts in your head, this shoe is gone. Gone. Anyway, 700 V3s. Nothing uncommon here. V3, same box as a 700, I believe. So, this is the bigger size box, obviously. There's your sizing, the Kyanite. There's the Kyanite colorway, which is sort of like the blue. So it resembles the Azareth colorway, except that it's sort of an inverse of it, you could say. So I'm just gonna get right into it. This is brand new, fresh out the box. I got it yesterday, so pretty good with the delivery. And ooh, these are nice. Okay, so these are personal, so I'm going to be wearing them, you know, on foot and all that junk because I'm tired of not wearing my Yeezys. Well, these Yeezys in particular. I want to put a pair of these on and look fresh. Boom, there it is. Woo! So like I said, these came out March 25th. Got them from the Yeezy, not the Yeezy, the Confirmed app. And I also won a raffle on SNS for a size 8, which was phenomenal. I just put it in, you know, I was like, okay, I got the Confirmed app. I'm going to try for these on Yeezy Supply, all that stuff. I didn't get Yeezy Supply. SNS got back to me real quick with a raffle win. You know, it's weird. I win a raffle on SNS every 3 months. There must be some kind of algorithm or loyalty thing because I do buy stuff off an SNS now and then. They have good sales. But yeah, this thing, crazy. I love it. So this is now that I got a closer look at it. The upper, and the difference here is that this blue does not go to blue here like on the Azareth, and there's just less blue basically. Everything else is pretty much identical. And this part here, I don't have an I never saw the Azareth in person, but I'm assuming that this is white and this is more of a tan or sail color, like more of a sail colorway here. Cool thing about these is that the boost here is colored. It's not white in there. Like sort of a gum outer here with this cool like herringbone type of pattern on the traction here, which makes for good traction. This is a size 13 US. I am a size 12 usually, and usually these things. If you go back to my Clay Brown video, I think I talked about the caging being one of the issues that got me not fitting the shoe very well. It was a struggle. I actually ripped part of the shoe when I put it on, the 12.5, but it passed inspection over there at GOAT. Oh, here's a, well, this is probably something I could fix, but there is a little glue stain right there. Yeezy, what's going on? Quality control, my friends, but I'll deal with it. I don't mind it so much. There's a couple little blue marks here, but this is actually the first kind of flawed pair of Yeezys I've gotten in a while, but luckily I'm just gonna wear these. I don't care. These are gonna get beat up. I like this, what they do in the toe box right here, right, with that piece of material right there, and there's reflective material right here. So this is all basic stuff. Like, you've seen this before. This shoe I've reviewed 3 times on this channel. Nothing's changed except for the way it fits my foot. Yeah, it's kind of got a see-through mesh here. You can kind of see through that right there. So that's cool. I didn't notice on the other pairs because they might have been darker. I don't know. Maybe I did. I don't remember. These videos, I do them so often I have no clue anymore. The pull tab here, kind of practical. I've seen people take it out. Aesthetically, I do like the look of laces. It looks great, and I do kind of want to potentially tighten this up. So if I could slide right into this shoe, I think that it will be great. And if it doesn't look too crazy with me puffing out the sides like the 12.5 did, yeah, these are gonna get some wear. I really like this colorway from all angles, you know. But yeah, it's just another Yeezy, and I'm gonna rate this one an 8 out of 10. I didn't get the Azareth. The Kyanite will have to be. This is actually a good settlement because I do like more of the contrast between the colors here. That the Azareth is more solid with the blues. This contrast is actually cool with me. I wish they would diversify the upper. I mean the tongue and all that stuff here. The booty of it or whatever. This booty part. I don't know why they keep going with the black. I guess it's from an economic standpoint, the best way to keep these at 200 with boost. But it's just weird. Just that they do this with the basketball shoe too. It's all this whole black part. I mean, they could make this material a different color if they so chose to, but they're not. So it is what it is. And this caging part's a little awkward. It's a little stiff. I guess for support purposes, but as you can see, this is definitely at size 13 wide foot friendly. At least it better be. Anywho, give me a shout out below. Tell me if you like the Yeezy 700 V3 model and this new or revamped colorway called the Kyanite. And yeah, that is all I got for y'all today. Check y'all on the next one. I'm gonna wear this shoe. Alright? Peace.